Making Christmas decor in an old sifter that I bought in an antique store. Fun, fun, fun. As you can see, I'm holding an old sifter that I bought at an antique store. I actually bought it in Cranbrook. And I love it because it's got yellow stripes and my kitchen is yellow. So I didn't create this idea. I watched Ginger Chick Rehab, and she does all kinds of this stuff. So first I put in a green piece of foam. I'm not gluing anything because I change stuff in this little container all the time. So I put in green foam, I put in a big white tree, and then I put in a little green tree. And those little green sprigs there, they have little pine cones on them. And I thought they were cute. And now I'm adding another green tree. And I found this little elf in the dollar store. And he actually has a bell on him. But I thought he was so cute. So I bought him to put in this arrangement purposely. And I put in a couple of more pieces of greenery. That piece there has some berries on it. And it just goes with where I'm going to place him. Oop, and I have a piece of, there I'm showing you the elf so that you can get a good look at him. And I thought he was just adorable. And there's the little trees that I put in. And now we're just tucking everything back in and getting it so that it'll stay where it is without any glue. I just needed the florist foam for height so that everything is out of the top of it. And now I'm just playing around with the scarf, making sure it's hanging out and looking nice. And I have another little green sprig. I'm just cutting it off to make it shorter. I don't worry about cutting my stuff because I can use this stuff over and over again and it'll work just fine. Now I am looking for a tag to put on it, just to add a little more something on it. So I bought these at the dollar store as well, and I just thought they were really neat because they're kind of old-fashioned. You can't really see them because of the glare. Oh, there's the tree one that I'm going to use. So we're just going to open up that package and get out a little tree card just to hang off it. Not really for any use, just kind of for decoration. I think it just adds a little something, and it has a little red bow. So I decided I'm going to hang it right there, and I'm just going to put it on, hang it on to a piece of the greenery that's in there, and tie a little bow. Little bow was kind of hard to tie. Anyhow, we do get it done, and I think he looks really sweet. I just love the expression on this little elf's face. I think that's really what makes it. So, I love the idea of this, and thank you from the Ginger Chick Rehab channel, because this is what she does lots of with, but she uses mostly antique stuff. So I have brought you out to the kitchen, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to put my little decoration. But first I'm going to give it a little clean. Okay, I got my cleaning stuff out. Now I'm just giving the shelf a really good wipe down. It always needs a bit of a clean. Straightening up my boards. I like to hide that one. I think it's kind of ugly. Anyhow, there's my little elf in the sifter, and I think he is just adorable, and I enjoy him every time I'm at the sink doing them dishes that if you watch me, you know I don't like. So I'd like to thank you all for watching this little bonus video, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making this little elf in the sifter. So I'll see you in my next video, which will be Fairy Garden Tiny Tiny Tuesday. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.